Hey guys, let's analyze the question number 22. A researcher investigated two species of mice, a predator and its prey. At the start of the week, there was a different number of the two species. At the end of the week, the number of prey was 2,625% more than that of the number of prey at the start of the week, and the number of predators was 340% of the number of predators at the start of the week, the resulting the same number of prey and predator. The number of prey at the start of the week was p% less than the number of predators at the start of the week. What is the value of p rounded to the nearest tens? So the question might seem a little bit complicated at the beginning, but it's not, because um, if you approach it more carefully, it's just another percentage question, which is really manageable and simple enough to solve. So we just labeled the prey as X and predators as Y, and if you take it from here, there is a one confusing part. So according to the percentage formulas, we just have to divide this and this by 100 to get the numbers of the increase of the percents of um, predators and prey. But here we have some word problems. Like it says literally more, which is trick here, and here it's off. So if we just divide 2625, I mean 2,625% by 100%, it just means that it was increased by 2,625%. But it says it's more than that of the number of praise at the start of the week. So the number of praise at the start of the week was X. I mean X, and if we just add 26.25x to the starting number of the phrase, it'll be like 27.25x. And 3.4y means 3.4 increase of the predators, because it says off the number of predators at the start of the week. It's just simple as usual. We just multiply 3.4 by y, and it says at the end of the week their numbers are equal. So we just have to equalize them like this, and you just have to find x, solve for x. Uh, it's approximately 0.1248y. So after we find the difference of the numbers of prey and predators, it says that 0.1248 times the number of predators, which means equals to number of prey, which means the number of prey at the start was less than the number of predators. So from here, we just use a simple formula like the percentage formula of to find p, because at the start of the week we were given two numbers of the predators and prey, which were which had a difference of p%. So in order to find that p%, we're just using a simple formula of percentage. So 0.1248y equals to 1 minus p over 100 times y. We just uh, solve for p, which will be 87.52, and here it says round your answer to the nearest tens. So it's basically 87.5. That's it, guys. That's all.